Are you getting Microsoft Word file permission error? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Try saving the file with a different name and to a different location. Before getting into technical fixes, try saving the file with a different name at a different location. If the file has been copied from an external source, Word will not be able to save it with its original name on your system. Click on File, choose Save As from the left pane. Choose a different location this time and give the file a different name. Click on Save. Method 2. Check the ownership of the file. When you are getting a Word file permission error, check whether the file actually belongs to you. If the file came from an external user, they will be the owner. You may have limited access. This might be the reason why you are not able to make changes to the document. Right-click on the file and choose Properties. Then go to the Security tab. Select the Advanced option. Click on Change next to the owner description. Select the Advanced option from the prompt that appears. Click on Find Now. Choose the user you want to grant full access to the selected file and click OK. Close all the windows. Right-click on the file again. Choose Properties and then Security. Click on the Advanced option, then click on Add. Select Principal next to the Principal description. Click on Advanced, then select Find Now. Select the account and click on OK. Check mark Full Control. Click on OK, then Apply and then OK. Method 3. Check in Safe Mode. Next, you can check Word in Safe Mode. Safe Mode disables add-ins and start Word with minimal functionality. If the issue is caused by any plugin, you can easily detect it. For that, press Windows plus R and type winword/safe in the dialog box and press Enter. Word will now be opened in Safe Mode. Now click on the file and Next. Click on Open and navigate to the file that you are trying to open or edit or save. Execute your changes in this and try saving. If it saves perfectly, it probably means that either your add-ins are causing issues or your user profile is corrupt. To disable your add-ins, click on the file, then select Options or Word Options. Next, select Add-ins and click Go in front of COM add-ins. All the add-ins will be listed there. Disable each one of them one by one and restart Word. Check if the error message went away. This way, you will be able to diagnose which add-in is causing issues. Method 4. Disable Firewall and Antivirus. Firewall and your antivirus program can also interfere with Word and create problems like this. So, you can temporarily disable Firewall and Antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable Firewall and Antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Here is how to disable Windows Defender Firewall. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Ensure you click on Turn off Windows Defender Firewall option for private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. In case you use Windows Security, here is how to turn it off. Type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next UAC prompt, select Yes. If you have any other third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Now the problematic file should open without issues. Method 5. Insert the problematic Word document into another file. Then next fix you can try is to insert the Word document into another file and see if this works. Try to open a blank new Word file. Click on the Insert tab from the top ribbon menu. Click on Object. Select Create from File from the top. Click on the Browse button and browse to the problematic file. Select the file. Click to insert, then OK. Check the document content and save it as a new file on your PC. Method 6. Update Word and Windows. There is a setting in Windows that downloads updates automatically for the other installed Microsoft products on your PC along with the Windows update. When you have permission issues opening Word file or Word, update Office along with Windows Update to fix the problem. To do that, follow the steps given below. Open Windows Settings. From the left panel, select Windows Update, then select Advanced Options. Next, turn on the toggle for Receive Updates for other Microsoft products option. Install updates if any. Once done, restart your PC and relaunch Word. Method 7. Repair or reset Office. You can also repair or reset Microsoft Office. To do so, click on Windows Start menu and select Settings. Select Apps from the given options and scroll down to find Office from the installed apps. Click on the three dots menu and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Repair. When you choose to repair Office, the app's data won't be affected. If this does not work, then select the Reset option. If you choose the Reset option, the app's data will get deleted. Choose either the Repair or Reset option as per your choice and wait till the process gets completed. Method 8. Repair Word from Control Panel. You can also repair Word from Control Panel. Here is how to do so. Open Control Panel using Windows Search. Open Programs and Features. Right-click on Microsoft Office from the app list. Select Change option. Select Quick Repair and click on the Repair option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. And there you have it. The 8 solutions when Microsoft Word shows file permission error. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.